In this video, I will show you how to use a premium indicator to gain profitable trades, and you should try this while it is free. To add this indicator, head over to TradingView and go to Indicators tab. Search SuperTrack Strategy by Rafael Zioni. Now, before you use this indicator, we need to modify a few things. Go ahead and click the gear icon of the indicator, and under the Inputs tab, you will see Strategy Direction drop-down list. Currently, it is sitting on long only. We need to change it to all. Now it will produce both long and short signals. After the direction changes, scroll down to the end. Here you will see 4 different take profits, and they are configured 10, 20, 50 and 100. We need to change it. Our first take profit will be 2%, second one 3.5%, third one is going to be 5%, and last one 6.5%. After that, click OK. Now the chart is ready. As you can see, it has automatically plotted the take profit signals for you. Here are the take profits. The first one is 2% and the second one is 3.5%, and so on. You could have closed your trades partially on each take profit signals. Our fourth TP is further away, so I might have to scroll a little bit. As you can see, the fourth TP is making 6.5%. Now I will show you how to enter a trade using this indicator. First, let's change the pair from BTC to different pair and try on a smaller time frame. This indicator will produce buy signals with the green flag like this. But you don't have to enter when you see this green flag only. In fact, wait for these blue arrows to enter your trade. Now we have established our entry rule. Let's enter our first trade. We enter the trade after the blue arrows were formed, and we kept our stop loss below the recent swing low. And in order to take profit, we will wait for the signal to form our first TP flag, and we will take partial profits. As you can see, our first TP is here. You can keep the trade open without taking partial profit, but that is much riskier compared to the partial profits. So before moving to next TP, take partial profit. Now after the second TP, you can actually move your stop loss near to the break-even mark and target your fourth TP. Especially when you see the price is trending, it is highly likely that you will hit the fourth TP. With the help of trailing stop loss, you can actually turn this into a very highly profitable trade. Here is the setting for scalping. You will have to switch HTF from weekly period to daily for scalping on 1 to 3 minutes charge. However, you can leave all TPs as it is or modify as per your desired targets. Now let's look at some of the issues that you may come across when you're trading with this indicator. As per the entry rules, we wait for the green flag to form first, then we wait for the blue arrows to confirm our entry. We keep our stop loss below the recent swing low, or for this trade, we keep it below the signal line. After entering into the trade, let's find out our first TP. If I scroll a little bit to my right, you can see this trade ended up hitting the stop loss. So you may hit some stop losses, but we can avoid this by adding a very important indicator which is called Donchian Trend Ribbon. Head over to TradingView's Indicator tab and search Donchian Trend Ribbon by Lonesome. Before we use this indicator, we need to change some settings. So click the gear icon of Donchian Trend Ribbon and change its period from 20 to 92. Now here is the new strategy. So when you see primary indicator has formed the long entry signals, then we will check this with the secondary indicator. If the secondary indicator has not produced the green bars, then we will ignore this entry. Now look at this trade setup. You can see both indicators are producing positive long signals. So we will enter the trade by keeping the stop loss below the recent swing low. You can further enhance your entry by adding more confluences to your chart. You can do this by adding a simple EMA. Change its color to white and its period to 92. Now when you see both primary and secondary indicators are producing buy signals, check to see if the price is also above the EMA. That ticks all the check boxes for the positive entry. And with this strategy, you have a higher chance of entering in a winning trade. You can also try 1 to 2 fixed ratio instead of waiting for the TP signals to form.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. everybody in the